Hi, welcome to another fun Friday. Today we're going to have a look at Get Lucky by Daft Punk. This is what it sounds like when I've put a bit of guitar and drums over the top of it. Okay, that is pretty much the entire song. People are always saying, can you just teach me something that's really easy to play? Right, this is it. This is 4 chords. We are starting with a B minor. Remember, this isn't a piano tutorial. It's just the way that I remember to play it in the bands, but it should give you some hints to work it out for yourself. There are drop-down sections, and there is this main chord. So I always start with that inversion of B. So we've got F sharp on the bottom, a B and a D, because each time, as the notes say, the top line is an E. We're always going to be wanting to go to that E each time we change chords. Now, the actual changing of the chords isn't particularly difficult, because if we start with B minor, you've got the F sharp, the B and the D. To change to the D shape, when we move the left hand, all you need to do is move the B to an A, and you've got F sharp, A and D, which indeed is a D. Then to get to F sharp minor, you just move this top D down to the C sharp, and we've got an F sharp minor pattern. Moving to the E, you have to move all 3 fingers, but they're all pretty much next to each other. So what the catch is here is you have to play it syncopated, so you're playing it off the beat. So that's the hardest bit to learn, is getting the tempo between the left and the right hand. And at the end there, all I'm doing is going B, B, C sharp, B, G sharp. Okay, so run through that again. We're starting with B minor, then play the E if you want to, D with the E at the end, F sharp minor with the E at the end, and then the E with that little run. So you've got you can hold out the chords as well for a breakdown section. Just do arpeggios. Did you like and subscribe? Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Bye for now.